Hello everyone. Stay with me until the end, because I will show you simple habits that, when practiced every day, will make your mind sharper, your decisions clearer, and your life a little more unstoppable. Imagine your brain as a garden. If you scatter seeds of distraction, sugar, and sleep deprivation, the weeds will grow fast: anxiety, forgetfulness, low willpower. But if every day you water the soil with curiosity, prune with focused effort, and give it sunlight through good rest and nutrition, the garden blooms. Feeding your brain is not a one-time act. It is a daily ritual. And when you make that ritual yours, everything else starts to change. Hello everyone. Stay with me until the end, because I will show you simple habits that, when practiced every day, will make your mind sharper, your decisions clearer, and your life a little more unstoppable. Imagine your brain as a garden. If you scatter seeds of distraction, sugar, and sleep deprivation, the weeds will grow fast: anxiety, forgetfulness, low willpower. But if every day you water the soil with curiosity, prune with focused effort, and give it sunlight through good rest and nutrition, the garden blooms. Feeding your brain is not a one-time act. It is a daily ritual. And when you make that ritual yours, everything else starts to change. Feed your brain with quality input. Choose better content, not more content. Replace 10 minutes of scrolling with 10 minutes of reading something that challenges your thinking. Listen to meaningful podcasts. Give full attention to one idea until you can explain it in your own words. Feed your brain with practice. Knowledge that isn't used is wasted energy. Practice turns learning into skill. If you're learning something new, speak it, write it, apply it. Consistency rewires your brain. Feed your brain with pauses. Rest is productive. Focus hard, then take short breaks. Sleep deeply. A rested mind performs like a well-oiled machine. Feed your brain with movement. Move your body. Walk, stretch, dance. Do anything that gets your blood flowing. A moving body awakens a creative brain. Feed your brain with simplicity. Make your routines easy enough that you can't fail. Read 10 pages a day. Learn 3 new words. Meditate for 2 minutes. Tiny steps, big transformations. Feed your brain with connection. Talk to people who think differently. Teach what you learn. Explain ideas aloud, because the best way to learn is to teach. Feed your brain with challenge. Growth lives where comfort ends. Do something each day that feels slightly uncomfortable. That's where new neural pathways are born. The diet for enhanced cognitive performance. Your brain consumes about 20% of the energy your body produces, even when you're sitting still. That means what you eat directly shapes how well you think, remember, and focus. Here's how to feed your brain for maximum power. 1. Omega-3 fats, the brain builders. Foods like salmon, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds nourish your neurons. They improve memory, focus, and learning speed. 2. Antioxidant-rich foods, the brain protectors. Blueberries, dark chocolate, spinach, and green tea fight oxidative stress, the silent enemy that makes your brain age faster. 3. Complex carbohydrates, the brain's fuel. Your brain runs on glucose, but not from sugar rushes. Whole grains, oats, quinoa, and sweet potatoes release energy slowly, keeping your focus steady all day. 4. Protein, the brain repair kit. Eggs, lentils, beans, and lean meats help produce neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin, the chemicals that control mood and motivation. 5. Hydration, the silent superpower. Even a small level of dehydration can cause brain fog and slow reaction time. Drink water before you feel thirsty. 6. Caffeine and green tea, the smart boosters. Caffeine enhances alertness, but combine it with L-theanine from green tea for calm, focused energy without the crash. 7. Avoid these brain killers. refined sugar, processed junk, excessive alcohol, and late-night overeating. They drain your mental clarity and slow your brain's recovery process. 8. Try this daily brain-boosting meal plan. Morning, eggs, oats, and green tea. Afternoon, grilled salmon or lentil soup with mixed vegetables. Evening, brown rice or quinoa with leafy greens and olive oil. Snacks, blueberries, nuts, and dark chocolate. This isn't a diet for beauty. It's a diet for brilliance. Feed your brain with real food, and your mind will repay you with real power. Now let me tell you a short story. A teacher once gave two students the same book to study. One only highlighted. The other asked questions, wrote notes, and explained every idea aloud. When tested, one could recall, the other could create. That's the difference between memorizing and feeding your brain. So today, choose one action: read better, eat smarter, move daily, rest deeply. Feed your brain like it's your most valuable asset, because it is. Your brain is your real wealth. Protect it, train it, nourish it, and you'll be unstoppable.